Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand that is basically a fan but also sprays water. So first thing first, let me actually open it up and show you guys what comes in the package first. So when we first open the package, you can see that there's a bunch of stuff inside. There is an instruction guide on how to use the product right here. They provide you a little accessory right here. They provide you a little water bottle thing that you can actually squirt water onto the product itself. They provide you a cable, which is a micro USB to USB cable. And then last but not least is the actual product itself right here. So basically, if you guys can see, this is what the product looks like. If you guys want to fold up, you guys can just fold up like this. And you guys can use it as a handheld fan if you guys want to. If you guys can see right here in the middle, this is where the water is sprayed out. And then look at the top section right here, this is where the water is. So the way to fill up the water is right here in the back, so you guys can squirt the water in. So if you guys open this local component right here, you guys can see that there's a little slot where you can squirt the water in using the bottle that they provide you. And if you guys look right here, this is where you guys will actually plug in the micro USB cable to charge up the product. And if you look right here, there are two little dots, and this is the indicator light for the product to show you guys when it actually is on and what is on. And right here we have the button to turn off and on the product. So if you guys are wondering what this is for, you guys can actually use it as a stand if you guys want to. So there you guys go. So you guys can use a stand like that if you guys want to, or however you guys want to set up, that's up to you guys. If you guys put it correctly, you guys can even hang it onto a wall like this if you guys want to as well. So basically the way to turn it on is by pressing the power button on. So each time you press it is a different level. So let's press it one time first. So it's in here, that's the lowest level. If we press it one more time, now it's on medium. And if you press it one more time, it's on high. And if you guys press it one more time, the fourth time, it actually turn off the product. So if you guys want to use like the different option of like the different sprays or like different colors, because this has a built-in LED light option, you can actually turn on. So let me show you guys what it looks like when you guys turn on. So you can see that's the color option right there. It actually turns by itself, so you guys don't have to adjust it or anything. So it actually will rotate the colors, different colors by itself. So if you guys want to use the spraying option, all you have to do is like press it down. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear it or not, but that's the spraying option. Right now we have no water inside, that's why it's not spraying any water. Let me show you guys the test of the spraying option if you guys want to use that option. Alright, so basically here we have the portable handheld fan that you can use also as a spraying fan as well with the liquid you guys can see right here. I have water inside. So basically all you gotta do right now is just pour the liquid in here like this. Squirt the liquid inside. You can squirt as much as you want, but we'll just keep it at that for now. Close back the lid right here. Make sure it's sealed. So once you guys have the fan all set up with the water and everything, you can use it as a regular fan, or you can use it with the spraying option. And if you guys want to turn on the spraying option, you just have to hold it down. And you can see that there's mist coming out. So you can see that the product works really well. Alright, so we have it plugged in. You guys can see this indicator light right here that's red. So when it's fully charged, the light should either turn off or it should turn green. So really easy to use, really simple, really awesome products that's super powerful. Like the fan is super powerful compared to any other like handheld fans that I've tested in the past. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work and actually works really well. The spraying option is definitely really useful when you guys are using it during like summertime, or you guys just going somewhere really hot. That would be totally perfect, especially when I went to like Singapore or Thailand when it was super hot. That would have been really useful. And then if you guys saw like the indicator light of when I charged the product, it was actually really easy to use that as well. So now that we did the unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product would be really worth it if you guys want one and need one. Like how I said, like if I had this during like Thailand and Singapore trip that I had like last year, that would have been really useful, especially if how small and compact it is, and the battery life for this product is amazing as well. Like if I use it at the highest speed, you guys can use it for around like 3 to 4 hours. If you guys use it at the medium speed, you probably get around like 6 hours. And then if you guys use it at the lowest speed, then you probably get anywhere from 11 to 12 hours maximum. And definitely the option of having the night light or LED light option is really awesome as well. It's a really cool addition on top of everything that comes on this product already. So pretty much long story short, yes, it's worth it if you guys want one and need one. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for this, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have